Hi, I'm David Milner and I'm responsible for storage and accessories across the Danesmore Group, and I'd like to give you a quick overview of some of the most popular Kesseböhmer home storage innovations. When it comes to corners, the Le Mans is the world's most popular kitchen storage solution, and it's easy to see why. Nothing in the world holds more, is easier to fit, or extracts further from the cabinet. And like all the core products, comes in finishes to complement modern and classic kitchens. For more value-driven kitchen designs, the Kesseböhmer move board comes with minimal components, can also be fitted in just a few minutes, and despite its keen pricing, still holds an impressive 18 kilos per shelf. For tall, slim spaces, the dispenser larders, shown here with its soft open damping system, gives complete visibility and access to all areas of the cabinet in just one motion. Shelves are installed and adjusted in moments without tools, and because of the leading build quality, the only sound consumers here, even after 60,000 opening cycles, is the family asking, "What's for dinner?" For wider, tall cabinet spaces, the tandem larder remains a favourite with designers, fitters and homeowners alike. Again, giving full access and visibility to every area of a cabinet in one motion. And you can now buy and fit the door element separately, installing it with regular internal shelves to meet a lower price point. Not only are Kesseböhmer clever in the kitchen, they're amazing in the bedroom. The Canero range is a suite of beautifully engineered products for bedrooms, from drawers complete with toughened smoked glass and velvet flock, to pull-out laundry, shoe and trouser hangers. But the real showstopper is their unique pull-down unit, which turns otherwise wasted space into accessible shelving. So next time you're planning a kitchen or a bedroom, be clever and think Kesseböhmer.